Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmoud International School, Akuna. How are you, students? Hope you are well. So, dear students, as you know, in last video, we have started the new poem Oats and Beans and Barley Grow. Okay, oats means makai. Okay, beans, falliya. Okay, and barley, yes, jaw. सो जौ मकई फलियाँ कैसे उगाई जाती है इसके बारे में ये पोयम है. ओके, ग्रो मीन्स उगाना, टू ग्रो. ओके, ओट्स एंड बीन्स एंड बार्ली ग्रो. ओके, गॉट इट. होप यू लर्न बाय हार्ट these 5 lines. Yes, did you learn by heart these 5 lines, action and rhythm? I hope you would learn by heart. Very good, the students who learn by heart these 5 lines, and the students who still did not learn by heart, they will learn today. Okay, so today we will read ahead, today we will recite ahead of it. Okay, see what is the name of the poem. Oats and beans and barley grow. Okay, oats and beans and barley grow. Okay, so first I will recite, then you have to repeat after me. Okay, see on your screen. Yes, repeat after me. Okay, oats and beans and barley grow. Oats and beans and barley grow. Do you or anybody know? Do you or anybody know? Yes, I repeating. Let's repeat after me and try to understand. Okay, very interesting point is this. Oats and beans and barley grow. Do you or anybody know how oats and beans and barley grow? How oats and beans and barley grow? Oats and beans and barley grow. Do you or anybody know how oats and beans and barley grow? First the farmer plants the seeds. First the farmer plants the seed. First the farmer plants the seeds. Stand erect and take his ease. Stand erect and take his ease. Stand erect and take his ease. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. Okay, and try to understand what is given in this poem. Okay. Yes, now repeat after me. Okay, first the farmer plants the seeds. Stand erect and take his ease. Erect mean upright, mean straight. Stand straight, सीधा खड़े रहना. Okay, first the farmer plants the seeds. Stand erect and take his ease. Okay, next line. Stamps his feet and clap his hand. Stamp his stamp Stamps his feet and claps his hand. Okay, now repeat. Stamp his feet and claps his hand. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. Okay, stamp his feet and claps his hand. Okay, 3 times. Stamps his feet and claps his hand. Now clap. Now this time you have to clap. Okay, with action. Stamps his feet and claps his hand. Stamp means, yes, पैर जमीन, to keep your feet on the land. Okay, means पैर जमीन पर मारना. Okay, stamps his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land. And turns around to view his land. So you have to turn around, means in circle you have to turn, गोल घूमना है. Okay, to view his land. Here farmer, you can see, stand erect and view his land. Okay, this is farmer and he is standing erect and turns around to view his land. Okay, like this you have to take action. Got it? Now see, repeat after. First the farmer plants the seeds. First the farmer plants the seeds. Stand erect and take his ease. Stand erect and take his ease. Stand erect and take his ease. Stamp his feet and claps his hand. Stamp his feet. Stamps his feet. stamps his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land and turns around to view his land and turns around to view his land. Yes, so we try to understand and try to learn by heart with action and rhythm. Okay, stamps his feet and stamps his feet and claps his hand. Yes, repeat after. Stamps his feet and claps his hand मीन्स वो अपना पैर ज़मीन पर मारता है और ताली बजाता है. ओके, एंड टर्न्स अराउंड टू व्यूज हिज लैंड, और गोल घूमता है उसकी ज़मीन को देखने के लिए. ओके, सो हियर यू हैव टू मेक एक्शन लाइक अ फार्मर. ओके, नाउ रिपीट. Stamps his feet and claps his hand. Repeat once again. Stamps his feet and claps his hand. Stamps his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land 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 once and turns around to view his land. Okay, now this time these two lines. Okay, repeat once again. Stamps his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. Okay, stamps his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land. Like this you have to recite, students. Okay, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. Okay, see. First the farmer plants the seeds, stand erect and take his ease. First the farmer plants the seeds, stand erect and takes his ease. Okay, these four lines at a time. Okay, now repeat after me. First the farmer plants the seed, stand erect and take his ease, stamps his feet and claps his hand, turns around to view his land. Okay, repeat once again. First the farmer plants the seed, stand erect and take his ease, stamp his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land. Okay, good. First the farmer plants the seeds. Repeat once again. First the farmer plants the seed, stand erect and take his ease, stamps his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land. Okay, now another stanza. Okay, this is first stanza, this is second, and this is third stanza. Okay, see, first I will recite, then you have to repeat after me. Okay, now repeat after me. Then the farmer waters the ground. Then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around. Then the farmer waters the ground. Waters means to give water. Okay, then the farmer waters the ground. Just repeat after me. Okay, and try to learn by heart in rhythm and action also. Okay, then the farmer waters the ground. Yes, I'm repeating. Good, and try to learn by heart. Then the farmer waters the ground. Then the farmer waters the ground. Then the farmer waters the ground. Yes, are you repeating? Repeat after me. Okay, here you can see. First the farmer plants the seeds. Okay, this is seeds. And after reading, he stand erect and take his ease. And he turns around to view his land. And then here you can see. Then the farmer waters the ground. Here he is watering. Means he is giving water to the seeds, to the plants. Okay, got it? See, water means pani dena. Now repeat after me. Then the farmer waters the ground. Then the farmer waters the ground. Farmer means kisan. Okay, then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around. Watches the sunshine all around. Watches the sunshine all around. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. Watches the sunshine all around. Watches the sunshine all around. Then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around. Okay, like this. And you have to recite in action and rhythm. Okay. Then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around, stamps his feet and claps his hands, and turns around to view his land. Okay, these two lines repeated here. Okay, if you learn by heart up above in above stanza, then you will automatic learn by heart. Okay. Then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around, stamps his feet and claps his hand, and turns around to view his land. Okay, and turns around to view his land, and turns around to view his land. Let's repeat after me. Okay, stamps his feet and claps his hand, and turns around to view his land. Then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around, stamps his feet and claps his hand, and turns around to view his land. Okay, like this you have to recite in rhythm. Okay, got it? Hope you understood. Okay, listen once again. Then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around, stamps his feet and claps his hand, and turns around to view his land. Once stamps his feet and claps his hand and turns around to view his land. Okay, got it? So dear students, you have to learn by heart these three stanzas. Okay, got it? Stanza number 1, stanza number 2, and stanza number 3. Okay, these three stanzas you have to learn by heart. Okay, will you learn by heart today? This is very easy poem to learn by heart. Okay, and you have to recite this poem in action and rhythm also. Okay, got it? Hope you would understood. Okay, once I am recite. Okay, you have to repeat after me. Oats and beans and barley grow. Do you or anybody know how oats and beans and barley grow? First, the farmer plants the seed, stand erect, and stamp his feet, and claps his hand, and turn around to view his land. Then the farmer waters the ground, watches the sunshine all around, stamps his feet, and claps his hand, and turns around to view his land. Okay, like this you have to learn by heart. Okay, hope you will be learn by heart these three stanzas. Okay, in next video we will learn by heart next stanza. Okay, dear parents, please help your ward to learn by heart these stanzas in action and rhythm also. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.